Can you call
Yes.
my name?
This is a song where we say when you hear that many times, many J, you know, say your head good.
Baby, did you call my name?
Did you call?
Did you call me?
Now this version way recross here. Come copy, come the tell that guy say my name. Say my name. The other guy say you're smart,
Say
baby.
my name, you're smart, baby.
Take baby.
Take, baby.
For your mother, baby. Say my name. The one now. Say
my name.
No, say my name.
Show man.
You're smart, baby.
Take some money, go spend some money for no reason.
I go use it. Like,
Go spend some money for no reason.
Go spend some money for no reason. Say my name again.
Show man.
Take this money. Give it to all your girlfriends.
Come back and ask for more.
But
Come on,
Whiskey.
baby, hold on.
Now only
Let
Whiskey.
the music take control.
But only Whiskey wey no dey show money. Whiskey dey think show
go
me.
show you your money,
Show the money, no show.
Baby, dance for me.
Show, you no gree show.
She's saying the show wallet.
Eh, you dey show
But
wallet.
you know, inside all the girls, I mean, Nigerian musician, you know who girls like pass?
Who?
Sansota.
Why?
Because they hate Casey. When Casey sing you, Casey say, oh yeah, Lipopo, let me be your maga tonight.
Okay.
I want to be your maga tonight. You know, say for night, shops don't close, banks don't close. Only me sue and Eddie. You understand? But Sansota, because he say, I spend my money every day on top woman. You can't even say, I don't care. She walk away
to another man.
I am ready to
be your mugu, your personal maga
for life.
For life.
Not even one day.
But they can't slap the nonsense come up for your mentality. Now you don't arrange now. They don't slap us. So girls become the love kids now. Meanwhile, I did today na Skibby Mayana industry night.
Okay,
Yeah.
Not just Skibby.
Now 5 star.
We are going there now from this bar.
From this bar, we are going there. We are going
They
there.
don't
5
have
star.
a small, they will say.
5 star.
The death and rise of Skibby Mayana. That's the title of today's
Industry
industry
night.
night. Are
Yeah,
you sure
there.
anybody will be there?
Why? Why?
Do you know what I'm looking forward to?
What are you looking forward
To see a song perform reggae blues.
After the reggae,
Please, I think we need to dance reggae blues.
no more. We have to talk. We have to talk.
Where we go? Where we
Where
want to go?
Where we want to go? Man. So are you going for the industry night?
Oh, yeah, now what for you? 5 star, you do something. I'm
Show
not
you.
good.
So they support this.
I'm a big fan of 5-star music.
Even that person wants.
I am supporting them because E-Money is there.
So even a person dies, so you support still.
Now what for
Yeah,
you?
now what for you?
I was very, very shocked at work.
Now what for you? We were together on that day.
Yes.
And
Even
we
you
were
shocked.
shocked.
Even you shock.
We were shocked.
You won't 5-star general, you shock.
But that one don't pass.
But
It
that
don't
one
pass.
don't
pass.
Yes,
You are there for the money.
when I welcome now,
But I can't put anybody can faint.
Of course.
I wake up.
Fainting is allowed. Child!
Hey, Ebu, share the booze, Ebu. Body wanna do, group, group.
I saw I see
Money they pay. Oh yeah, give me up on champagne, no. No way than the bull. You don't know how much I see the bull.
Chai! Oh, our DJ photo, our DJ today. I never buy your head there, oh yeah.
When we are about to go home,
Make sure
you play for us.
play for us
We need
again.
to go home.
Yes, our people with the house there, the matter will carry consult now today. You know, say we don't need too much introduction. You need suppose no say this one at the show we they call Bubbles Yan. And I did here with Shakara and Showman. As usual, we they come here and dissect every matter will concern us. Now, yesterday we start on top matter will concern marriage. Today again, now another matter will concern marriage we want to talk about. Now, I just want to ask you this quick question. And I want make we talk about inside bar here right now. If you catch
One of us need to marry for people to be able to take any day want to talk about marriage topic. At least they should take it serious. Because if we talk about relationship, boyfriend and girlfriend, they see, you know.
So wait.
Hold on a second. Somebody
Ma ask you one quick
inside the
question.
three of us.
Ma ask you one quick question. How many marriage counselors today they married? Some marriage counselors they know they married.
But this show, we
But
need
they
a
know
married
almost
man.
everything about marriage.
Whether you like it
Don't
or
worry,
not.
you are the first
Showman.
person to get married. You are getting
So
married
go
soon.
For
Shakara, the
for
three of you.
We'll get
No, let me
married.
tell you.
This
Don't
show
worry.
needs a married man.
flesh and blood
Yeah.
has not revealed it to you. But newspaper don't reveal it to you. Say you, Shakara, you are overdue. your time is now.
Yes.
Receive that marriage.
Hear the word. Hear the word
Hear
from
the
the
word.
prophet.
Oh.
Saying to you,
You are not.
Shakara.
Shakara.
Hold on. Shakara.
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 You
Gewa.
Yvonne Jegede.
Gewa. Nevon Jegede.
I better start
Gewa.
shit.
Nevon
You know
Jegede.
what that one?
I better start shit.
Okay, who you want?
No,
Okay, you.
people.
Rita Dominic.
Gewa. Narita Dominic.
Rita Dominic.
Amen.
Shakara. Gewa. Narita Dominic.
Dominic.
Abeg, if you catch your partner they cheat, you go fit save that marriage. That na matter I want to most talk about.
Depending on the cheating way catch
If you catch your partner they
Cheat na
cheat,
cheat, oh.
yes,
you know
you
the
go
cheat
still save
get
the
level.
marriage.
If you see where they knock your babe. I know say depend on the position where you take catch them.
No, but the catching, the catching also.
Catching them, catching them.
We don't catch, you don't catch.
If you catch your babe,
Yeah.
you understand, they on that woman, they hold am, they just like this. You don't say that na normal sister, no. But if you see where they hang your babe, they give am.
give her 75%.
Yeah. Like when they serve them like this. What? My brother, that's you know how to forget.
No, but that's why the topic that say whether you go fit still
Save the marriage.
You know why this shit come out like this? Nigerians, we dey believe say divorce no good. Do you understand? For Nigeria, so everybody want always hold, put, no one
Protect
break
my
up.
marriage. Protect my
I'm
marriage.
against that word.
Protect
it's
my
not that
marriage.
we believe.
We-
say no good. Divorce is no good.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That Nigerians know. Let me tell you.
Let
me tell you.
You paraphrase it as
We
if,
have more to
as
know.
if,
We
as
have
if
more-
you
let me tell
believe
you.
that
Calm
is
down,
good.
calm
No,
No,
I'm coming to
you
on that.
believe that is good.
I'm not saying it's good. What I'm saying is that there are some marriages wey dey. I get one of people who go to do one day for here. You dey down inside relationship or that marriage, but you no fit comot because you be Nigerian wey you believe
No,
say
or you be
divorce
Christian or
dey
Muslim.
fair.
You are
That's
your
my
religion dey
point.
guide you.
Now you dey talk am say e get how you go catch dey crank your wife. E go hard and most times na only na men na im get the power to save with their marriages.
Pass.
But you
Most
say
times na men.
no cheat. That be the highest sin for relationship.
No, we are not after the other one now. Right now that cheating.
You know say
So
for
because you cannot go
Bible
divorce, now they
said.
talk.
Yeah,
oh.
na cheating.
For Bible
No,
said,
why
you know say
we
be dey
say
inside
we
say,
say cheating
make
and
woman dey
saving.
faithful.
Cheating and
And
saving
saving.
in marriage. If you know they
If
save,
you catch am,
that means say you dey waiting.
you dey scatter be that.
Nah,
But this
no,
one we dey
so.
talk say if you catch am dey cheat, you go fit still save the marriage.
Is it yes? Can you save that
Can
marriage?
you save that marriage?
As a man,
Catching-
wrap up woman partner.
Yes.
Me personally, you know, before I like to talk generally, you know, the average Nigerian man, how they go take now. So I did my, but this one I talk personally.
Yes,
my
you
own.
yourself.
That marriage, I think say don't end. You know, at that
But
point.
you are a Nigerian man.
Yes.
You are a
That is
Nigerian man.
religious man.
You are a very, in fact, you are a
You
traditionalist.
just said it
Of
now.
course, of
Because
course.
you don't support
It's a bad
divorce.
I know
thing.
support-
I
I
see you
know-
as a traditionalist. You be
yes.
every
So
tradition
why
man.
you-
Not supporting divorce is from my Christian background, not from my traditional background. From my tradition, because I'm a guy of two sides.
Yeah.
Okay.
From a traditional background and from a Christian background.
And which
You
one?
understand?
Which one heavy pass?
Which one heavy part?
Which one
for
way
you?
pass for
Heavy
you?
pass. Which one way pass?
Christianity
And
or traditional?
mind you, traditional background is not idol worshiping.
I
oh.
don't care.
I know, we
oh.
know, we know.
Don't
Get it
explain
right,
divorce.
get it right.
You
We
are
know,
a traditional man.
you
When they
understand?
pour,
You
when they pour
respect
alcohol for girl
traditional-
like this, say, hey, that's who you are, Abi. Traditional man and Christianity, Abi.
I think my Christian background way more,
Okay.
but with
Don't add
with,
but now.
with
Wait
plenty
now,
regard,
wait.
with plenty regard
To tradition.
for my to my tradition.
Tradition.
You are-
Now my tradition is against it.
Okay.
That what?
When a woman sleeps out, it's an abomination.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
It's an
Okay.
abomination. But my Christian background don't tell me it's an abomination.
How?
Who tell you?
Yes, my Christian background don't tell me it's an abomination.
He tell you.
That my Christian background say it is sin. It's not good. She don't sin against me. Well, listen, she sin against God, not me.
You,
understand?
even you, even
Wait,
you,
I'm coming.
even you.
But you are her God.
He sin against
Wey
you.
dey this
Yeah,
one now.
Even the
coming.
Bible, the talker, he dey inside. I don't want to go
Yes,
scripture right now.
And now, my Christian background tell me say I should be able to forgive at that point.
Yeah.
You understand? So
And the
because
same
if
Christian
somebody
background
offend
also
you,
tell you say you get the right to leave your wife. Even the other, your wife fit leave you. If you catch your wife, they cheat. It dey Bible. It's there.
where the right hand.
You won't tell me, you know where it is.
But the truth
But I'm
is,
telling you, it's there.
but the truth is,
Yeah.
in the Christian background, I tell you to forgive. But traditionally, they tell you say an abomination.
Okay,
you shouldn't
Shakara.
have anything
Shakara,
to do with such
Shakara,
woman
leave
again.
religion I don't think we won't go back. Leave religion now. When we won't go come back, I know. I want you personally now, for the sake of say maybe children don't they involved inside this marriage now, and you love.
So when we
come back, I want you. I want
when
you to come back.
Make you go for street because this matter they very very hot. I bet you say for the for us they think if you catch your partner they cheat, you go still fit save the marriage. I go for street, we they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.